Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more update. Today we are explore custom shape star rating system in Photoshop. Create a canvas document in Photoshop. Select the custom shape tool. Choose a star shape from the star picker. Then draw one star while holding shift. Change its fill color to gold or yellow. Duplicate the star multiple times using Ctrl plus J. Align all stars horizontally. Reduce opacity for some stars to show a rating level. Select all star layers. Use the move tool to center align them. Add small rating text below using type tool. Adjust spacing between stars carefully. Zoom out and preview layout. Star rating looks clean, perfect for review graphics.